If you are a man over the age of 60, chances are that you're not feeling as energized, strong, or healthy as you once did. As men age, they begin to experience a decline in testosterone levels, muscle mass, and overall vitality, which can lead to feelings of fatigue, weakness, and low energy. But there is hope. By taking the right vitamins, you can help improve your energy levels, boost your testosterone, and feel like a new man again. In today's video, we will be discussing 3 essential vitamins that every man over the age of 60 should be taking. So, if you are ready to reclaim your energy and vitality, then keep watching. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth, but it does much more than that. In fact, vitamin D is essential for overall health and well-being, especially for men over the age of 60. Studies have shown that people who have sufficient vitamin D levels are less likely to experience fatigue, depression, cognitive decline, and other age-related diseases. Men over the age of 60 are at an increased risk of developing vitamin D deficiency, because as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at absorbing vitamin D from sunlight. Additionally, many older men lead a more sedentary lifestyle, which reduces their exposure to sunlight even further. This can lead to a number of health issues, such as decreased bone density, muscle weakness, impaired immune function, and increased risk of falls and fractures. However, by taking a daily supplement of vitamin D, men over the age of 60 can help prevent these issues and maintain overall health and well-being. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D for men over the age of 60 is 600 to 800 international units. It's important to note that too much vitamin D can be harmful, so it's always best to speak with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. If you are taking a vitamin D supplement, it is also important to have your vitamin D levels monitored regularly to ensure that you are not taking too much or too little. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the production of red blood cells and the maintenance of the nervous system. It also helps regulate male hormones and improve mood. Unfortunately, many people do not get enough vitamin B6 in their diet, which can lead to a number of health problems such as anemia, depression, and fatigue. For men over the age of 60, vitamin B6 is especially important as it helps to maintain healthy testosterone levels and prevent age-related cognitive decline. Studies have shown that older men with low levels of vitamin B6 have higher homocysteine levels, which can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for maintaining a positive mood and preventing depression. However, as men age, their ability to absorb vitamin B6 from food can decrease, leading to a higher risk of deficiency. This can contribute to feelings of tiredness and lack of motivation, making it even more important for older men to get enough vitamin B6 through their diet or supplementation. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B6 for men over the age of 60 is 1.3 milliliters. Getting enough vitamin B6 through a balanced diet or supplementation can help maintain energy levels, cognitive function, and overall health in men over the age of 60. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an essential nutrient that acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease, so it's important to have a sufficient amount of vitamin E to protect against them. As men age, their bodies produce fewer antioxidants, making them more susceptible to free radical damage. This can lead to a number of health issues, such as cardiovascular disease, cognitive decline, and age-related vision problems. However, by taking a daily supplement of vitamin E, men over the age of 60 can help protect against these issues and maintain overall health and well-being. Vitamin E also plays a key role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, which is important for preventing heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that people with higher vitamin E levels have a lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Additionally, vitamin E is important for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails, making it a popular ingredient in many anti-aging creams and supplements. However, it's important not to take too much vitamin E, as it can interfere with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes drugs. Men over the age of 60 should aim to consume 15 milligrams of vitamin E per day to meet their recommended daily intake. This can be obtained through a balanced diet that includes foods such as almonds, spinach, and avocados. If you are considering taking a vitamin E supplement, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider first. Overall, adding vitamin E to your daily routine can be a simple and effective way for men over the age of 60 to maintain their health and well-being. Conclusion: as men age, it's common to experience a decline in energy levels, muscle mass, and overall vitality. However, by taking the right vitamins, men over the age of 60 can help improve their energy levels, boost their testosterone, and feel like new men again. Vitamin D, vitamin B6, and vitamin E are all essential nutrients that can help improve energy levels, maintain cognitive function, and protect against age-related diseases. By incorporating these vitamins into their daily routine, men over the age of 60 can help maintain their physical and mental sharpness and live healthier lives. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before taking any new supplements to ensure that they are safe and appropriate. A well-balanced diet should provide all the necessary nutrients for most people. But if you are concerned about your nutrient intake or have specific health goals, a multivitamin may be beneficial. When choosing a multivitamin, it's important to look for one that is specifically designed for men over the age of 60. These multivitamins typically contain higher levels of certain nutrients that are important for older men, such as vitamin D and B vitamins. It's also important to choose a reputable brand that uses high-quality ingredients and has been third-party tested for purity and potency. Taking a daily multivitamin can be a convenient and effective way to ensure that you are getting all the essential nutrients you need to maintain your energy, support your immune system, and promote overall health as you age. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. By making positive lifestyle changes and taking the right supplements, you can improve your health and well-being and enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Don't wait any longer. Start today and see the difference it makes. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Stay healthy and take care.